All right, now let's talk about laundry rooms in your habitational assets. According to the National Fire Protection Agency, or NFPA, fire departments responded to 15,970 home fires involving clothes dryers or washing machines each year between the years of 2017 and 2020. Clothes dryers were involved in 92% of the fires. Washing machines were involved 4% of the time, and washer and dryer combinations were involved 5% of the time. To help minimize the potential for fire within your laundry facility, the NFPA recommends the following. Professionals should install and service dryers, and gas dryers should be inspected by a qualified professional to make sure the gas line and connection are intact and free of leaks. Next, you want to make sure the air exhaust vent pipe is not restricted and the outdoor vent flap will open when the dryer is operating. Once a year or more often, if you notice that it is taking longer than normal for your clothes to dry, clean lint out of the vent pipe or have a dryer lint removal service do it for you. You also want to ensure the facility is clean, including behind the equipment, and free of combustible and flammable materials. You also need to implement routine cleaning of lint screens and dryer vents. Last but not least, you want to make sure the right plug and outlet are used and that the machine is connected properly. All right, guys, that'll do it for that one. See you soon.